Thank you very much. Wow. Well, I want to thank you all very much. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day, I will be fighting for you, and with every breath in my body, I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to have. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again.
Ο Ντόναλντ Τραμπ ανακοινώνει τη νίκη του. Οι αμερικανικές εκλογές το 2024 βάφονται κόκκινες. Είναι το ιστορικό ναι που λένε οι Αμερικανοί πολίτες στο Ρεπουμπλικανικό κόμμα.
This is great. These are our friends. We have thousands of friends on this incredible movement. This was a movement like nobody's ever seen before. And frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country and maybe beyond.
Υπόσχεται στον αμερικανικό λαό ότι θα γιατρέψει τις πληγές του.
We're going to help our country heal. We're going to help our country heal. We have a country that needs help, and it needs help very badly. We're going to fix our borders. We're going to fix everything about our country. And we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy?
Τη νίκη του γιορτάζουν στη σκηνή μαζί του από την Φλόριντα συγγενείς και φίλοι. Ευχαριστεί τη σύζυγό του και την πρώτη κυρία των Ηνωμένων Πολιτειών, Μελάνια Τραμπ.
I want to also thank my beautiful wife, Melania, First Lady. Who has the #1 best-selling book in the country. Can you believe that?
Ο Ντόναλντ Τραμπ επιστρέφει στον Λευκό Οίκο με μεγάλο προβάδισμα έναντι της αντιπάλου του Κάμαλα Χάρις, η οποία χάνει και στην λαϊκή ψήφο. Η αντιπρόεδρος των Ηνωμένων Πολιτειών δεν έχει κάνει ακόμη κάποια δήλωση. Ωστόσο, πριν από αρκετές ώρες εμφανίστηκε στα κεντρικά γραφεία του κόμματος των Δημοκρατικών στην Ουάσιγκτον και συνομίλησε με υποστηρικτές της. Ο Ντόναλντ Τραμπ κερδίζει με 276 εκλέκτορες. Έχει προβάδισμα και στις 7 πολιτείες κλειδιά, έχοντας ήδη κλειδώσει τη νίκη του στις περισσότερες από αυτές.
The Associated Press has called the first of the 7 battleground states in this year's presidential election, and it goes for Donald Trump. North Carolina and its 16 electoral votes go in Trump's column. It is the third straight time Trump has won in North Carolina. The previous 2 races were by narrow margins, but that doesn't matter at this point. 16 electoral votes out of those 93 for the 7 battleground states. Donald Trump has claimed it. We're still waiting on those other 6 states to be called.
Ο Ντόναλντ Τραμπ είχε κερδίσει την Βόρεια Καρολίνα και το 2016. Φέτος ήταν η πρώτη πολιτεία που κέρδισε και ανακοινώθηκε από νωρίς κατά τη διάρκεια της εκλογικής ημέρας. Η οικονομία του χάρισε τη μεγάλη νίκη, σύμφωνα με το CNN.
Here in these exit polls, first of all, 70% of North Carolinians of Tar Heels are either dissatisfied or angry with the state of things. The economy is the #1 issue. That's terrain that where Trump traditionally polls better.
Η μεγάλη επιτυχία, ωστόσο, είναι αυτή που έχει στην πιο κρίσιμη πολιτεία και από τις 7, στην Πενσιλβάνια.
CNN projects that Donald Trump will win the great Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. This is a huge achievement for Donald Trump and a huge bucket of electoral votes, 19 of them, for his path back to the presidency. As of right now, with those 19 electoral votes added from Pennsylvania, Donald Trump is within spitting distance of 270 electoral votes.
Joe Biden had won Pennsylvania 4 years ago, narrowly, but Kάμαλα Χάρις was not able to perform nearly as well as the president. In fact, she did worse in nearly all of Pennsylvania's counties. At the time the AP made the call, Trump had a lead of 175,000 votes. That's more than double the total by which President Biden won Pennsylvania back in 2020.
Ο Ντόναλντ Τραμπ κερδίζει και την λαϊκή ψήφο. Οι Ρεπουμπλικανοί όμως έχουν έναν επιπλέον λόγο να πανηγυρίζουν. Πήραν τον έλεγχο και στη Γερουσία.